You can start making money online today with zero investment. Millions of Americans earn online using one simple method. Are you ready to take control of your career? Look no further than freelancing. It offers incredible opportunities for growth and flexibility. Whether your skills lie in writing, design, or video production, freelancing offers incredible opportunities right now. First, identify your key skills. Second, you need to build a strong portfolio that really showcases your talent. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you start for free. And create a profile, offer small gigs, and build reviews. Start with what you know how to. No investment required. Second side hustle is content creation. To maximize your reach, you need a tailored strategy for YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram Reels. Welcome back. Today, we're looking at how this device is revolutionizing content creation on the go. With this app, you get instant access to our video tutorials, unbiased product reviews, and daily motivational content. We invite you to share your knowledge and experience. It's a chance to connect with others and truly make a difference. Today, we're looking at how your business can achieve a zero-cost upgrade on all mobile and laptop devices. Consistency helps channels grow over time. Income primarily comes from ads and sponsorships, allowing us to grow and expand our reach globally. The third side hustle we are discussing is online reselling. Online reselling means selling items through online platforms. Start by looking around your home. Gather up any unused items like old clothes, electronics, or books you no longer need. Old clothes, gadgets, books, or accessories. When we look at the leaders in the retail space, these three stand out. eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace offer incredible opportunities. As you can see, the sales are absolutely flying in today. We are seeing record numbers across the board. Reinvesting profits back into inventory is crucial. Watch how quickly those returns translate into assets. Welcome to the studio. Today, we're focusing on these 9 essential strategies to streamline your operations and boost efficiency across the board.
The fourth side hustle is online tutoring. Trilligen and Saken Sweefen.
Look at this. We've made online tutoring more accessible and engaging than ever before with these incredible new tools. I'm thrilled to show you our latest updates, featuring new specialized modules for math, English, and music education. Welcome back. Today, we're looking at how smart financial planning can help fund your education, whether it's for mathematics or music studies. This new initiative connects students across 5 continents, fostering unprecedented global collaboration and learning opportunities for the next generation. We're excited to announce new partnerships with online leaders like Preply and Tutor.com, expanding our educational reach globally. We've made it easier than ever to get started. Sign up today and pay absolutely 0 platform fees. Are you ready to take control of your income? You can earn $15 to $30 an hour teaching right from your home office.
The fifth side hustle is virtual assistant work. Lizu.
Empowering your team with the right technology is crucial for maintaining productivity and engagement across the board. If you look here, you can see the direct links to our contact email and the latest event schedule. Groundbreaking research has provided new insights. We've structured the organization to maximize efficiency based on these findings. With our new system, connectivity is key. You can access the network securely from any laptop, ensuring you're always connected. In today's hybrid workplace, seamless communication is essential. We utilize both chat platforms and direct calls. Start with small tasks and build trust with your clients. Virtual assistants can earn $1,000 per month. So there you go, 5 proven side hustles you can start with 0 investment. Your only real cost is time and consistency. Consistency beats shortcuts.
These are the top 5 side hustles making headlines right now. Let us know, which hustle would you try first? And så vits vad vi säger. Comment below, I'm ready to start your journey.
Hit like and subscribe to Dollar Decoded for more smart money ideas.